Okay, so today for this class, I want you guys to learn about cultures that are brought to America. I want you guys to learn about the diversity that we have in the U.S. and how it affects us. I want you all to please grab a pencil and paper and come sit down. And I just want you to write down your thoughts after each slide. So here I added a picture of pretty much where your states would be. So we have hamburgers for food, football, rodeo, where the White House is, the Statue of Liberty, just different things that would be around. Right here we have different types of foods: hamburgers, sushi, Chinese, and Mexican. Obviously, hamburger is American food, and sushi would be more Japanese. Sesame chicken is like Chinese. And we have Mexican food, which is like tacos, chips and salsa, different things like that. So, in reality, if we didn't have mixed cultures, we probably wouldn't see those types of foods here. Activities and clothes from other cultures. So you have here, this would be the Mexican flag. This are some Indian dances. Kung Fu actually did not originate from the U.S. It was brought here. So here we have like dancing. Here are types of flags. These will be represented in the U.S. more. So if they came from that country, they'll want to represent their flag and bring it over to the U.S. Freedom of religion. These are multiple things. The only way most everyone comes to America, they can bring their own religion, which is the best way to have diversity in religion, because we are the free country and we allow diversity here, which is the best idea for sure. Then we will exit out of that. And start with the painting. Here I have a painting of, this I will be doing Christianity. It did not originate in the U.S. It came from Jerusalem, and they brought it to the U.S. As you can tell, I already traced it, so here will be the sun, and then the cross, and I have some flowers down below. So, I'm going to first take my paintbrush. You're allowed to do whatever culture you would like to do. It just depends on whatever you're feeling. You can either do it in a group or you can do it by yourself. Whatever works best. I'm not really once you're started on your topic, I'll come around and ask you why you chose that or reasons for that. So you may want to erase the pencil, just depending on if you have light colors or not. Here I am coloring it red for the sun. If you are in a group project, I will need all of you to participate. If you can't come up with something that's not so complicated, if you can't find anything that's not complicated, you can most likely do something more simple for you, but I will just need you to explain why you chose that, or more of an explanation. When I first did this, I was thinking about doing like a flag or something, so you could talk about why that flag is important and all the different aspects of what it brought here to us. Like in the slides, you could do food, whatever is best for you, whatever works good. You're allowed to work on your own, obviously, because not everyone wants to work together, and that's fine by me, whatever works. For the first day you will take researching. I want you all to research the topic, what culture you would like to do first. Not everything is going to be done super fast. I want you all to take your time. Obviously, mine is a quick one, so I can, just so I can demonstrate it to you guys. I would really like for you all to come up with the reason of why you chose that. I will come around and ask you why you chose this certain subject, or why you chose this certain photo or certain country. It could be meaningful to you. You could have ancestors from this country, anything along that sort of. Maybe you've been there before and you really liked the food you ate, or something that you saw. A monument is always good. So right now I outlined the cross in black so you can see it, and the sun is red. I'm going to add a couple yellow coming off of it. You can see where the pencil kind of left marks, so make sure if you're going to use a light color that you know which part is going to be light on your project. That'll be the best opportunity. That'll work out great. Next, you can add any type of details. You can Google like certain colors that work for your project. If you have, for say Mexico is mainly green, you can do more green on your project, which will work perfect for that. China is more red. You can add more red to your colors. Anything will work great. I will accept all projects, as this is a trial. We have never done this before. Right here I added some flowers down below. If anything is mainly white, you will have trouble outlining it, obviously, on a white canvas, but here's the final project. Christianity came from Jerusalem. It was brought to America, and now quite a bit of Americans believe in Christianity, so I will be coming around and asking you about your project. Just let me know if you need any help. And if you need to look back up the presentation, we can go back and look over it. But overall, that is the best opportunity. And thank you.